Fèis Lochabair.
Switch. Okay. Right, so start again with the two.
When did Lochabair Fèis start?
Fèis Lochabair is now in its 22nd year as Fèis Lochabair. It also had a couple of years running as part of a music festival in Fort William. It was called Fèis Lochabair before that.
Why do you like to work at the Fèis?
Well, there's lots of reasons why I like to work at the Fèis. I started off coming to the Fèis as a teenager when I was younger, and when I was asked back to tutor at the Fèis, I really enjoyed it to see the next lot of young people coming through, getting lessons and improving. And then I became involved in organising the Fèis and making sure that boys and girls still get the chance of coming along to the Fèis. Do you enjoy coming?
Yes.
Good.
So we say palms to the, thumbs to the
Ceiling.
yes. Hello floor. Hello ceiling. Fourth finger into the palm of your hand. Third finger into the palm. And we're going to play up those three strings. So after three. So 1, 2, 3.
What is your favourite thing about the Fèis?
What is my favourite thing about the Fèis? I think it's seeing all the boys and girls enjoying themselves in their classes and seeing the improvement in not only their playing and things, but also how much more confident they are by the end of the week in playing with new people, meeting new people and speaking to the adults.
At the Fèis?
Oh, quite a few years now. I think I will have been tutoring. I would have first started tutoring probably 12 years ago now.
Did you go to the Fèis when you were younger?
When I was younger, the Fèis was just getting started in this area. I was involved as a teenager at the Fèis, but what we actually did was, at that point, there was a Fèis that was run to train people so that they could become tutors when they were older, and that was really my first experiences of the Fèis.
Where did you learn to play the fiddle?
Where did I learn to play the fiddle? Well, I went to Lochabair Music School when I had violin lessons, which was classical music. My dad was a fiddle player with the Lochabair Fiddlers, and I had a lot of his music that I worked from. He was taught by Ian Kennedy, who's quite a famous local fiddle player from Lochyside. And then as I got older, I was lucky enough to have the chance of getting some lessons with the likes of Farrachar McCrae, and also through workshops and different things with the likes of Ian McFarlane. So a lot of different tutors. I then had Addie Harper and Karen Stevens as my fiddle tutors when I was studying music at college. So lots of fiddle tutors over the years.
Who was your
Hadern to Arnano, a village in Hamisha. I can you Misha.
Fiddle tutors over the years.
Who was your favourite musician and why?
Oh, that's a difficult one. My favourite musician and why? I really love Shannon, who's an Irish button box player, melodeon player, and she's amazingly talented. In terms of fiddle playing, I love the playing of Nathan McMaster, who's a Cape Breton fiddler. And I also love Archie McAllister, who is from down Campbelltown, a fiddle player from down there. So they're probably my favourite traditional musicians.
Toshi.
Peggy, Tashin Jenu, musik, the Skahan, so a gal. Do you want to pick it for you?
Okay.
Shouldn't we have Janet? Hey, let's take a task, hadn't we have?
Is Fèis Lochabair 2014 the best?
Well, it's certainly one of the best, and I would say it's probably the best media class I've come across.
Still a Misha at Fèis Lochabair kunt aan met je nog media. Ag drama.
Hello, Mr. Kira. I guess I'm media I guess
Híni részig, Fèis Lochabair.